Hi guys, I'm Kim with Digital Trends, and we are here at the Amazon event looking at the Amazon Basics microwave. So this little puppy works with Alexa. So what does that mean exactly? Let me show you. One potato. As you can see, all I have to do.
6 minutes, 34 seconds.
Okay, as you can see, what I just did is I hit the Ask Alexa button, and then the Echo Plus over here heard what I said and went ahead and actually cooked the potato for me. Right now it's at 6 minutes and about 15 seconds left till I have my perfect potato cooked. You can also add time directly via your Echo Plus. So if you said, Alexa, microwave for 2 minutes. So there are actually two ways to communicate with this device, either the Ask Alexa button or using your Echo Plus, or essentially any device you have with an Alexa speaker. This device goes on sale for pre-order today for $60, and it will be shipped in mid-November.